tips atau trik yang unik. This one, final exam atau ya ujian terakhir ya. Even the name is examination, but I hope that you don't feel under the pressure. Walaupun namanya examination, tapi saya harap teman-teman just enjoy ya. Enjoy, you can enjoy your speaking. Don't be under the pressure. Jangan tertekan atau jadi nggak enak, takut salah gitu ya. No, just speak everybody, okay? And then let's get started. Or ya, I hope you are ready. And are you ready, partners? Let's get started. You can see this, ya. Ini ya teman-teman. Sekali lagi member diminta untuk memberikan tips atau trik yang unik. Durasinya bebas. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It's okay. And then I will give you questions related to your tips or trick, and also feedback. Nanti saya kasih ya pertanyaan ya berhubungan dengan tips atau trik dari teman-teman, dan juga saya kasih feedback ya. For example, this contohnya seperti ini ya. Sapaan dulu ya, greeting, your name, siapa yang sedang berbicara. What is your tips? What is your trick? What are the tips? Apa saja tipsnya? And closing. Dan yang terakhir adalah closing dari teman-teman. Okay, let's go. I will choose ya. Saya tunjuk satu-satu ya. Today I hope all of you already ya. Teman-teman harus siap ya. Semoga semuanya siap ya. I will start from Bro Santo ya. Is it fine, bro, when I go to Bro Santo from the first?
Oh,
Hello.
I am sorry, bro. I am not ready today.
You are not ready yet. Okay, so you can prepare first ya, Bro Santo.
Ya, oke, bro, Koko. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay, bro.
Aduh.
And then the next, Sis Arti, what about you? Are
Halo,
you?
bro.
Hello, Sis Arti. Good afternoon.
Halo. Good afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon, Sis Arti. Can you present about a tips or trick that's unique from you?
Bisa. Saya coba ya,
Okay.
bro.
Yeah, good. Okay, you
Ya.
have to try. Time is yours, Sis Arti. Good luck.
Oke. Hello, I am Arti. Today, I am going to tell you about how to relieve the symptom of chronic gastritis atau GERD.
GERD
Yes.
ya. Okay.
Ya, penyakit GERD.
Yeah, yeah.
One, panic will make the condition worse. You will feel 1,000 sensations. Divert your attention with activities you like, such as listening to music. 2. Unhealthy lifestyle is a trigger for chronic gastritis. Start learning a healthy lifestyle according to your abilities. 3. Follow your doctor's instructions about the right lifestyle for you. If you met a talkative doctor, you are lucky. Don't be hurt by your doctor's word. He is trying to help you. 4. You can drink herbal medicine such as drinking water boiled with turmeric, ginger, and honey. I have been drank this herbal medicine for years. Then the symptom began to appear less frequently, and I can stop taking the doctor medicine. 5. Do walking exercise every morning for 30 minutes to increase your body's endurance. That's all from me. Thank you, Coco.
Thank you, Sis Arti. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's about GERD. Is it lambung? You mean?
Ya, asam lambung.
Ya, asam
Tukak
lambung.
lambung bahasa
I
dokternya.
see. Okay. Okay, Sis Arti, I wanna ask you, are you medical people?
No, I am
No.
not. I am a
Okay,
teacher.
but how do you know this? Is it from maybe you have experience or maybe is it just important for us or how?
Because apa ya? Saya penderita GERD sudah 2 tahun.
Oh, okay. I suffer from. I
Suffer
suffer
from.
suffer
Iya,
from.
iya.
Jadi aku menderita ya. I suffer from. Oh, 2 years ya, si Sarti.
Iya.
Kalau GERD
Oke.
jangan banyak pikiran sih.
Iya
Ya,
itu betul. Stres juga.
ya,
Stres
Iya.
ya.
pemicunya. Cuman saya nggak bikin.
Oke.
Tapi lebih ke pengendalian diri sih yang
Ya.
benarnya.
Self control ya, self
Ya,
control.
self control. Dokter sering bilang, ah itu cuman pikiran aja, kayak gitu. Kadang dokter ngomong kayak gitu.
Oke.
Kalau pikiran kita sakit, badan kita juga bisa sakit.
Si
Betul. Semuanya
from
dipikirin.
Sis Nita, how do you know Sis Nita? How do you know it?
I'm a nursing student.
Oh, I
Yes.
see. You are a medical person ya. It's good.
Ya.
Okay. Can we consult something to you?
Not my bukan ranahku, itu ke dokter. Kalau
Oh, I see. But you know ya, but you
ya,
know. But not expert.
kalau konsul ke aku melanggar.
Oh, I
Oh,
see. Okay
oke.
then. Okay. So you are just medical person ya, berarti orang medis aja like that one.
Ya.
Good. Thank you, Sis Nita. And Sis Arti, good. I have a correction ya for you. For the first, yang pertama, oke ya, dari Sis Arti tadi untuk struktur kalimatnya. Cuman di cara baca sama yang ini, ketika urutan, nah kita pakainya adalah first, second, third,
Oh,
gitu ya.
oh sorry.
Oke. It's okay, no
Iya,
problem.
iya.
Oke. Jadi ketika kita bilang one itu satu. Ya boleh sih ya kita bilang memang itu satu. Cuman kalau 1, 2, 3 lebih ke jumlah. Nah, kalau urutan itu first, second, third, like that one. Oke. Dan
Oke.
satu lagi ketika baca instruction itu instruction.
Oh,
Ya,
ya.
that's it.
Instruction.
Instruction. Okay, thank you, Sis Arti. Thank you so much ya. That's amazing from you. And then the next one, may I move to Sis Susi Lestaria? Are you ready, sister, for this? Hello, Sis Susi.
Halo.
Hello, can you speak louder, please?
Okay.
Ready for this?
Huh?
Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. Sis Susi, you can start. Time is yours and good luck, please.
Halo guys. My name is Susi Lesnar.
Hello.
I'm to tell you about how to get cheap price.
Okay, good.
Determine what to buy. If you want to buy a seller who collection. Second, choose and examine the clothes. Third, pause and try to bargain. Before bargaining, ask first if the price can be reduced. Fourth, bargaining the clothes. If the clothes cost maybe 50,000. Try bargaining for 90,000 first, and then by little. Fifth, leave a seller. If you still cannot reach the price of maybe Sorry, ngeblank. 120.
120.
120,000.
Uh-huh.
Try living in the cellar. Usually the seller will call you and agree on the price, and finally you get the clothes. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Susia. That's how to bargain something. Menawar ya sesuatu ya. How to get a cheap price.
Yeah.
Susie, I wanna ask you, are you expert in bargaining something?
Yeah, because my mother is a seller.
Okay, so you know how to bargain, how to get
Yeah.
the cheap price. Good. Have you ever got the very cheap price of something?
Sorry, sir.
Have
Ini
you
hujan soalnya.
have you ever got something that's very cheap?
Yes.
What's that?
My shoes.
Your shoes.
Yes.
How much? Can we know?
If a seller, kalau di pasaran itu biasanya 200, bisa dapatnya itu 110, 120. Kalau paling mahal 130-an.
Oh, I see. So you can get, it's
Iya.
just around 60% ya, 60%. Cuma 60%-nya aja ya, bisa dapat segitu ya. So you can get it. Good.
Ya.
Thank you, Susie. Thank you so much ya. It's good from you ya, how to get cheap price. Bagaimana cara kita mendapatkan harga yang murah ya dari si Susie. That's unique tips. I think very useful too. A bit correction, sedikit aja koreksiannya ya untuk sisi Lestari. Yang pertama adalah ketika baca determine ya, bukan determine tapi determine. Artinya determine itu apa, teman-teman semuanya? Dina? Apa?
Apa determine? Menentukan.
Menentukan. Determine itu menentukan.
Determine.
Kemudian yang kedua, ini bukan examine tapi examine. Nah, examine itu bisa untuk ya menguji gitu ya. Examine itu menguji. Kemudian reduce. Nah, reduce bukan reduced ya, tapi reduce. Artinya adalah bisa dikurangi, atau kalau kalimat pasif mengurangi, kalau lampau ya mengurangi. That's it. Dan yang terakhir 50.000 bukan 50,000 tapi 50,000. Get it, Sissy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good from you. Thank you so much. Amazing. And then after Susie, I want to go to the next, and the next one I want to move to Sis Pasca. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, time is yours and good luck, sister.
Okay, thank you. My connect is bad, so if jaringanku nggak baik ya, kalau misalnya putus-putus, maaf ya.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's fine, Sis Pasca.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
Ya, bagus. Hi guys, good evening. I'm Pasca from Jayapura. Today I'm going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. First, actively take note of new vocabulary. Not only that, you have to practice. If I memorize one verb in one day, I kept repeating it, but sometimes I forget. Second, subscribe to podcast on YouTube channel in English. There is one YouTube that always I watch, the YouTube channel Joseon Translation. You can watch too. Third, go abroad because I never go abroad, so I play Ome TV for speak with English people, and sometimes I speak with myself in English. Fourth, use your friend. I also have one friend from Belitung. She knows speak English, and sometimes we speak in English, chatting in English. She's so smart speak English, and I like. Fifth, ask a lot of questions. If I don't understand about grammar, I always looking for on TikTok or YouTube. Sometimes I have to learn again and again so that I understand. Thank you. That's all from me.
Thank you, Sis Pasca. Yeah, that's amazing how to learn English quickly. You said that you use Ome TV, yeah, Sis Pasca?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes, okay. In Ome TV, we can meet many people use English, but
Yes.
but sometimes we also meet Indonesian, right?
Yes.
Do you use it's like VPN?
VPN?
VPN. If you wanna speak in English, do you use VPN application? Pakai VPN nggak biar kita ketemu orang luar gitu?
VPN itu yang kayak gimana ya, Kak?
VPN itu kayak aplikasi biar kita bisa terhubung dengan orang luar.
Enggak, Kak. Aku cuma Ome
Ya.
TV.
Oh, just Ome TV ya?
Iya, iya, Kak.
Just Ome TV. Oke.
Iya.
Have you ever met foreigners? Ketemu orang luar?
Yes. Yes, many
Oh,
people.
from where? From where? Can I know?
That is USA,
USA.
and yes, UK, and Germany,
Oh, I see. That's
and India.
good. India. India ya?
Yeah.
So many India, Pakistan ya.
Yes, yeah.
But they speak in English, right?
Yes,
Good.
all speak in English.
Mhm. Good.
They speak so good.
And we can
Yeah.
practice our English.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you, Sis Pasca. Yeah, that's good, guys. Yeah, you can use application too to improve your English. Bisa ya,
Yes.
teman-teman menggunakan aplikasi untuk mengembangkan bahasa Inggrisnya, meningkatkan bahasa Inggrisnya.
Yes,
Good.
I do.
Sorry, sister? You do?
Ya, aku juga pakai aplikasi.
Oh, what application, Sis Nita?
Elsa Speak
Elsa
and
Speak.
and Cake and satu lagi apa?
One more?
Love Lingua.
Love Lingua.
No. Love. I don't know how to say it, but the name is Love Lingua.
Oh, I see. I have ever heard. Yeah, I have ever heard. Okay. Okay, good. Sis Nita, thank you for the addition. Okay, back to Sis Pasca. Sis Pasca, I think that's amazing from you. That's what I want, everybody ya. Itu yang saya inginkan dari teman-teman. Jadi misalnya tadi ya ada kata go abroad, pergi ke luar negeri. Tadi Sis Pasca bilang, yeah, I use application because I never go abroad, I never gone abroad. Walaupun saya belum pernah ke luar negeri, tapi bisa menggunakan aplikasi. Nah, jadi ada penjelasan selanjutnya ya. So I think that's what I want. Jadi teman-teman bisa improve ya, mengembangkan, you can develop your ideas. Okay, good. Sis Pasca, just one word ya, satu kata aja nih untuk koreksiannya ketika Sis Pasca tadi bilang watch ya, it's not watch tapi watch.
Yeah.
You can watch YouTube. Okay, it's not watch YouTube, but watch YouTube.
Watch.
Good. Thank you, Sis Pasca. Thank you so much. The next, yeah, when I move to Sis Anita, is it fine if I go to you, Sis?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, good. Sis Anita, time is yours, and good luck, please.
Okay. That my tips or trick is sama kayak ini, like the example this exam, is it right? Is it fine?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Nita. Today I'm going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. For me, first, you need to listen music and write the lyrics. The lyrics you ever apa ya? Yang kalau kita mau bilang belum dengar sebelumnya itu gimana sih?
I have never
Oh,
listened.
you never listen gitu. And then you need to often read English book, and the third, you watch film without subtitles, and then listen podcast English podcasts from Spotify or YouTube, and then use application or the apps. Maybe that's all for me. Just that's it. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Sis Nita. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's about how to learn English quickly, and I can know that you did it. But you said that yeah, listen to, yeah. What about you, Sis Nita? Do you like to listen to music, or do you like to listen to podcasts, or what do you like to listen to?
Yeah, I used to listen music, podcast. My podcast apa sih? Podcastnya,
The podcast.
the podcast is from the Wizard List, or maybe from apa satu lupa namanya aku. Well, the Wizard List from
Okay.
YouTube.
Okay.
Uh,
Have you ever watched the TED Talk videos? Have you ever watched
what is it?
TED Talks videos on YouTube? Never?
No,
Oh, never.
I haven't.
Oh, I see. So you can see that. You can watch it and you can get so many things from it too. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
So far, that's very good ya from Sis Nita. Thank you. I think no correction. Itu ya mungkin tambahan buat teman-teman, kita bisa ya mendengarkan ya from music, from ya podcast to ya. If you like football, you can watch the football interviews ya, or maybe talk shows like that one. So I think yeah, you can determine what videos, what music, what songs you are going to watch or listen to. Kita yang bisa menentukan ya, kita sukanya apa, dicari yang disukai dulu, like that one. Okay, good. Thank you, Zisnita. We get insight from you.
You're
Next,
welcome, bro.
yeah, I want to move to bro. Yeah, I think bro Ahmad Safiullah. Are you ready for this, bro? Are you there? Ada? No? Okay, it's fine, yeah. Sis Lilis, what about you? It's okay, guys. We can mix ya. Kita campur-campur bahasanya boleh-boleh banget. It's very okay.
Yes,
Sis,
Koko.
okay, Sis Lilis ready for this?
Koko baru masuk.
Oh, baru masuk ya.
Tadi apa?
Oke.
Tadi apa Koko itu tentang tips and trick.
Tips untuk belajar bahasa Inggris.
Oh,
Tips to learn English.
Boleh. Atau tips apapun ya. So whatever the tips, ya you can present. Boleh dipresentasikan Sis Lilis. Ready or not? Atau
tip.
belum?
Wait Koko.
Oke, it's okay if you're not ready yet. Kalau belum nggak apa-apa, nanti kita kasih waktu dulu ya. It's okay, no problem. Or if you're ready, it's very good. Kalau siap, bisa kita mulai. Ready or not, Sis Lilis? Oh, I think Sis Lilis has unstable connection, maybe ya. Okay then. Okay, back to Bro Santo ya for now. Hello, bro. Are you there?
Yes, I ready, Bro Koko.
Good, okay. I can't wait to listen to. Bro Santo, please do your best. Time is yours.
Okay, hello, my partners. I am Santo. Today, I am going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. I started learning English about 3 months ago. Lagi ago bukan kok, lagi.
Sorry, bro?
3 bulan yang lalu. Lalu ago bukan ya?
Ago.
Ago. Oh, I started learning English about 3 months ago. And
Mhm.
here are some tips that really helped me. First, watch YouTube and TikTok content. Find videos or short content in English that you enjoy, such as tutorials, daily vlog, or motivational talk. Watching regularly helps you get used to English accent and phrases. Second, read the Bible in English. Start with simple verses or chapters. This helps improve your vocabulary while also strengthening your faith. Ketiga treat ya.
Third.
Third.
Okay.
Third, take notes of new vocabulary. Whenever you hear or read new words, write them down and use them in sentences. Will help you remember them better. For keempat, fourth ya?
Yeah, fourth.
Fourth, practice speaking every day. Speak English with your friends or practice in front of a mirror. Don't worry about making mistakes, just keep trying. Five, listen to podcasts or audiobooks. Choose topic you like. Listening helps you improve pronunciation and understand how words are used naturally. Search in English. Try to describe your daily activities in English in your mind. For example, I am going to eat breakfast now, or I will study English this afternoon. Stephen, watch movies with English subtitles. Start with subtitles, and once you feel more confident, read without them. 8. Ask questions and learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask questions when you don't understand something. Mistakes are part of the learning process. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Bro Santo ya. Nice performance, Bro Santo. Good. Learning English started from 3 months ago ya. Okay, but this month is your first month in speaking partner, right? Bro, ini bulan
Yes.
pertama di speaking partner ya.
Yes.
Okay,
Really.
3 months ago means that 2 months before you started to learn in speaking partner, you join a course. Berarti sebelum ke speaking partner ikut kursus apa gimana?
Enggak kok. Justru karena mulai membaca Alkitab dalam bahasa Inggris, jadi pengen ikut speaking partners.
Oh, I see.
Karena
Okay.
merasa dengar dari YouTube dan konten dari TikTok sulit, nggak ngerti.
Okay, so in speaking partner ya, you are now. Good. Thank you, Bro Santo ya. That's amazing. Good performance. I will give you some corrections. Beberapa koreksi untuk Bro Santo ya. I will put it here. Saya taruh di sini ya. Pertama adalah yang ketika bilang ketiga tadi. Nah, sebenarnya sudah benar ya. Tadi di akhir bilangnya adalah third.
Bukan.
Nah,
Oh my God.
jadi TH itu bacanya teh gitu ya, teman-teman. Kayak kita bilang thank you bukan thank you, tapi Thank you, thank you. Gimana guys ya? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Nah, ini pun juga gitu ya,
Thank you.
jadinya third gitu. Third like that one. Oke, kemudian accent ya. Aksen ya, kita bilangnya aksen, tapi kalau bahasa Inggrisnya accent. Accent. Logat ya maksudnya. Kemudian praktek itu practice ya, bukan praktik tapi practice. Nah, kemudian Bro Santo tadi ketika bilang teman itu bukan friends ya, friends, friends.
Friend.
It's not friends. Dan ketika bilang kesalahan bukan mistakes tapi mistakes.
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 Dan yang terakhir ketika bilang takut ya, bukan afraid tapi afraid, afraid.
Afraid.
Of-
Afraid.
Good. Thank you, Bro Santo ya. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for question, Bro Koko.
Welcome, bro. And then next, yeah, I want to move to Sis Ima. Hello, Sis Ima, are you there? Ada Sis Ima?
Yes, Bro Koko.
Okay, Sis Ima, are you ready for this?
Yeah,
Okay,
will try.
time is yours. Then. Good luck.
okay. So, hi everyone. My name is Ima. Today I'm going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. So, first, we can try to write in English using the vocabulary we know. For example, I write a journal daily in English using the Presently application where I usually write a gratitude list. Second, subscribe to podcast or YouTube channel in English. So I subscribe to a mukbang channel called Jolie. They are British and they usually eat food while explaining it in English. And then we can go abroad or travel. We can travel maybe for umroh or study abroad or just go on trips. And now many scholarships are available for ASEAN countries like Japan, Korean, or Tiongkok, which offer international classes in English. And then use your friends. We can join like this program, speaking partner programs, to have friends to practice speaking English. And also we can try to speak English using application like I install English speaking practice, so we can try to mimicking their conversation. I think that's from me, Bro Coco. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Ima. Thank you so much. Yeah, okay. One of them is subscribing, yeah, English channels. Sis Ima, I want to know, you said also about writing, right? Writing. Do you
Yeah.
often write something?
Oh, I should say right, yeah, not
Uh,
writing, yeah.
Right, yeah. No. Writing is good, yeah. Yeah, writing, that's okay. But my question, do you often write something? Pertanyaan saya karena tentang present, jadinya saya pakai verb satu. Do you often write something?
Oh yeah, yeah. I try to write every day
Or
for my
what do you
journal,
usually write? What do you usually write?
daily journal, like gratitude journal.
Write it a journal, okay.
Yeah,
Do you have target?
there
maybe?
is. Pardon?
Do you have target target like you have to submit some journal articles maybe?
Oh no, it's a gratitude journal, like a daily journal, like diaries.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Like
Uh,
just about your yeah, daily yeah, just routines.
yeah, just daily.
I
Okay.
see. Yeah. Okay, do you have friends that can speak English in your real life, Sisima?
Yes, I have some friends from abroad.
Good.
Actually, yeah, in my class we use English.
So okay, so English is often being used by you, yeah? Nice.
Yeah, but yeah, actually I'm still like a passive student, so I try to practice here in a
Okay,
speaking partner program.
good. And this is the good platform for you to improve your ability, yeah? Thank you, Sima. I think all is good, but just one word, yeah. When you said about subscribe, it's must be subscribe. Yeah, it's not subscribe, but
Oh yeah,
subscribe like that.
subscribe. Okay, thank you, Bro Koko.
Thank you, Sisima. Good from you. And then Sis Tirsa, what about you? Hello, good afternoon. It's okay if you are not ready yet, guys, but you can respond, yeah. So we.
Assalamualaikum Koko.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello. Yes.
Koko tadi ini.
Okay, Sis
Ya.
Lilis. Wait a moment, yeah, Sis Lilis, wait a moment. I go to Sis Tirsa first. Sis Tirsa, what about you? Ready?
Yes, yes Koko.
Okay, Sis Tirsa, maybe I give a chance to Sis Tirsa and then move to Sis Lilis, yeah. Sis Tirsa, please, time is yours. Good luck.
Maaf ini karena saya kurang menyimak.
Oh, okay.
Ini tadi tugasnya, tipsnya bisa disuruhnya apa aja sih, Po?
It's free, bebas Sis Tirsa. Apapun tipsnya atau triknya boleh. Tapi yang jelas yang unik dari Sis Tirsa. Oke? Are you ready for that or not yet? Atau nanti dulu?
I think not yet.
Not yet ya. Okay, it's fine, no
Yeah.
problem. Okay, thank you Sis Tirsa. Move to Sis Lilis ya. Sis Lilis, what about you? Ready?
Yes Koko.
Okay, time is yours Sis Lilis. Good luck.
Koko. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello, my friends.
Hi.
My name is Lilis Permatasari. You can call me Lilis.
Nice to
Today,
meet you, Lilis.
hello, this is Pasca. Today, I'm going to tell you about how to learn English quickly. Practice every day for 10 minutes. Consistency is key. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Use this time for a mix of speaking, listening, and reading. We can making podcasts on YouTube, podcast English education. And then join English forums or group. We participate in online forums or social media group where people communicate in English. About topics makes learning more exciting and effective. That's all from me. Thank you. Mungkin itu sedikit, Kak.
Thank you, Sis Lilis. Yeah, thank you so much. It's very good from you. Okay, I think nice ya. I didn't find any mistake on grammar. Tadi di grammarnya juga oke. Paralel ya. Jadi buat teman-teman semuanya nih ada yang namanya parallelism. Nah, parallelism itu adalah ketika kita pakai verb satu semua. Verb ing semua. Nah, tadi Sis Lilis pakai verb satu ya, kayak Participate, nah itu verb 1. Kemudian join, nah itu verb 1. Mungkin kalau pakai watch, nah itu verb 1. Yang unparallel itu kayak kita bilang participate, kemudian seterusnya joining, nah itu kan beda ya. Tadi verb 1, ini verb ing. Nah, itu kita ada parallelism. Nah, itu sudah bagus ya. That's very good from Sis Lilis. Sis Lilis, I have question for you.
Yes.
So, do
Yes, Coco.
you like English?
Yes. Do you?
Do you like English?
Yes, I like Coco.
For what? For your career, for your job, yeah, or maybe just yeah for your daily skill, maybe.
Yes. I'm learn English in apa ada mata kuliah bahasa Inggris Koko di
Okay, a college subject ya, college subject itu mata kuliah college.
yes.
Oh, you are still sorry. Oh, but I see your degree is sarjana pendidikan, so you have graduated. Sudah lulus ya, Sis Lilis? Oh, unfortunately.
Koko ada
Mhm.
jadi agak
Oh,
ini.
iya, ya Sis Lilis bilang tadi ada mata kuliah ya.
Iya,
Aha.
iya.
Tapi Sis Lilis namanya Sis Lilis Permatasari Sarjana Pendidikan. Nah, you have graduated, berarti sudah lulus ya.
Yes, Koko, tapi lanjut lagi Koko.
Oh,
Lanjut.
you are in a master degree for now.
Yes, Koko.
Oh, I see. Good. Where do you study, sister?
Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar, Koko.
I see. Good. So, good luck ya for your master degree, Sis Lilis.
Iya, thank you, Koko.
You're welcome. Good ya. I see English is important guys ya. Bahasa Inggris itu penting ya. Okay, thank you. I think the correction ya. And then others. Oh ya teman-teman silakan nih. Saya pengen teman-teman sebelum ke level kedua ya, before we are going to the second level or the basic 2 level. Please ask everything about our materials. Tanyakan apapun tentang materi-materi kita ya, our topics or lessons, topik kita dan juga pembelajaran kita ya di basic 1. Barangkali ada yang masih bingung ya. And then if you wanna ask something to the related to the next level, okay, yeah, it's fine. Bagi teman-teman yang mau tanya tentang level lanjutan juga boleh ya. Silakan kalau ada pertanyaan, okay? But wait a moment ya, Sis Tirsa and Bro Ahmad, are you there? Ada di sana?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay, Sis Tirsa, ready or not?
Yes, I guess to try.
Okay, good. Sis Tirsa, time is yours. Good luck.
Hello, good evening, partners. I am Tirsa, and today I'm going to tell you about how to learn Chinese. Speaking Chinese. Gimana sih ngomong Cina? To speaking Chinese. First, you have to start by learning Pinyin because it will make it easier for you to read Chinese character. Then you can continue looking for a lot of Chinese learning video on social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or anything. And you have to learn pronounce the vocabulary you are learning more. Then look for someone to talk to. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Tirsa. Good ya. Chinese is very important language too ya. Bahasa Cina nih penting juga ya, because you know like in the world English, Arabic sorry, English, Chinese, Arabic ya. I think the most important is English, and then the second one is Chinese. The next one is Arabic ya.
Yeah.
Sis Tirsa, can
Yeah.
you speak Chinese? To be honest.
Yes, I just a little.
Okay, so you learn Chinese for what? For maybe it's related to your job or what?
Yes, I learn Chinese for menunjang pekerjaan.
Okay, yeah, to support my job, yeah.
Yeah, for support my job.
I see. Okay, good. But you work in Indonesia or sometimes you go abroad?
Sometimes I go to Taiwan, sometimes in Indonesia.
I see.
Ya, bolak-balik gitulah.
Yeah, you can say it commute ya. Commute itu bolak-balik.
Commute, yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I think so far so good. No correction from me to you, Sis Tirsa. You just need to practice and practice ya. Hanya perlu untuk praktek lebih banyak lagi biar lebih oke lagi ya. Thank you, Sis Tirsa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bro Koko.
Terakhir saya ke Bro Ahmad Safiullah. Hello. Are you there, bro?
Hello, bro. Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
Bro Ahmad, ready for this?
Inshallah.
Inshallah ya, good. You can start, bro. Time is yours.
Okay. So, hi, partner. My name is Ahmad. I have tips and tricks for meeting people or practicing your English. I think this is the same thing with Sister Lilis, but more specific. Okay, first, you need to join with speaking partner class, and then you can download application Discord, and you can join with the speaking partner club in Discord, and that is. And you can meet with a lot of people who want to speak in. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much ya, Bro Ahmad. I think you have good confidence ya. Oke nih, kepercayaan dirinya menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya. But so far, tapi selama ini saya sebenarnya ngeh ya ada Bro Ahmad gitu. Cuman masih belum terlalu sering ke notice ya. Jadi buat Bro Ahmad, if you go to the next level, kalau lanjut ke level selanjutnya nanti harus lebih berani lagi. Itu aja sih ya. But so far, you're good ya in English. Tadi sudah oke untuk struktur kalimatnya ya. Cara bacanya juga oke dari Bro Ahmad. Thank you, Bro Ahmad ya. Thank you so much. Oke, Sis Pasca, Bro Santos, Sis Nita, Sis Arti, Sis Susi, Sis Lilis, Sis Ina, Bro Ahmad, Sis Tirsa, and oh, that's Bro Sarah King ya. But I think he can do it by voice note ya. Nanti bisa mengirimkan voice note aja karena kita ada waktu untuk review ya, di mana teman-teman sekali lagi sebelum mulai kelas besok, barangkali ada yang mau lanjut ke level selanjutnya, segera kontak ya ke admin. Atau ada pertanyaan, silakan guys ya. Pertanyaan apapun itu berhubungan dengan bahasa Inggris, kamu Inggris atau apapun itu. Raise your hand, diangkat tangannya ya. One, okay, Sis Nita, you raise, wait, I need to mute for a while ya, saya izin mute sebentar ya teman-teman. Okay, Sis Nita, do you wanna ask something, please?
Iya, sebelumnya kan aku pernah nanya kalau di Basic 2 tuh ada materi kayak gimana aja. Tapi aku mau nanya nih, aku kan kelemahannya tuh sebenarnya kayak I can understand what people say gitu, but I don't know how to respond, how to speak when they say to me gitu. Kayak aku nggak bisa jawab. Aku tahu, aku ngerti, tapi aku susah buat ngomong. Itu tuh langsung ke basic 2 atau kira-kira ada saran nggak untuk hal itu?
Okay, Anas or Ananas? Anas ya.
Honest dong.
Okay, to be honest, yeah, I think I know Sis Nita's ability in speaking, yeah. I know your pronunciation. I know your grammar understanding, yeah. Go on, sister. Go to the basic two. Basic two is easy one, ya. Jadi saran saya Sis Nita ke basic two aja. Karena nanti di sana banyak prakteknya juga ya. And of course, you will be trained. Nanti akan semakin dilatih lagi, terutama dengan listening ya. Listening, Sis Nita tadi bilang kalau bahwasanya ada orang ngomong nih paham, tapi kadang-kadang kita kita ngasih respon tuh sulit ya. That's get blank ya. Kita blank tiba-tiba gitu ya. Bahkan kadang-kadang ada kata-kata yang sering kita gunakan, tapi kita kok sulit ya ingat
Iya,
kata.
betul.
Kita sering banget nih menggunakan kata itu. You know guys, long time ago saya itu paling nggak bisa bedain but sama because ya. Jadi awal-awal saya belajar bahasa Inggris itu saya benar-benar nggak bisa nih bedain but, because. Padahal saya tahu kalau but itu artinya adalah tapi, tetapi gitu ya. Sedangkan because itu artinya adalah karena. Tapi ketika saya bicara itu saya sering banget kebalik ya. Tapi kalau saya berhenti, loh, sorry, but tadi apa? But itu tapi. Nah, saya tahu tapi ketika saya bilang, misal nih, saya suka kopi, tapi saya lebih pilih teh gitu ya misalnya. I love coffee but, nah harusnya kan gitu ya. Tapi saya bilangnya I love coffee because. Nah, itu ya itu get blank. Jadi ya tidak ada cara lain, kita harus banyak praktek dengan kata-kata itu, like that one ya. Dan kita harus banyak nyatet ya guys. Kalau ada kata yang menurut kita kok asing, kok sulit, nah itu kita harus banyak catat, kita buat ke kalimat sebanyak-banyaknya. Jadi saya waktu itu menggunakan kata but ini, saya buat kalimat sebanyak-banyaknya, ada kata but, kemudian because juga seperti itu. Dan ketika di kelas saya praktek banyak, saya gunakan kedua kata ini di speaking saya. Sustainable ya, secara terus-menerus. Like that one. Oke, sis Nita, get it?
Ya, terima kasih bro. Thank you for the
Oke.
advice.
You're welcome.
Anyway, aku ada pertanyaan tapi ini di luar konteks.
Boleh, sis.
How long you learn English until to be fluent like this?
Okay, to be honest, till I can speak, kalau hanya sekedar bisa berbicara, tapi yang penting saya bicara, teman saya paham, atau orang lain paham, atau ketika orang ngomong saya paham, itu butuh waktu 2-3 bulanan. Nah, tapi itu ya guys, mungkin saya pernah bilang satu hari saya punya 6-7-8 kelas. Nah, jadi setelah subuh tuh ada kelas vocabularies, nanti jam 7 tuh ada kelas grammar. Nah, itu tapi selama 2 bulan full atau 2-3 bulan full. Like that.
Banyak banget kelasnya.
That's right ya. Jadi itu yang saya lakukan ketika saya belajar dulu ya, like that one. Tapi kalau untuk untuk lebih lagi itu ada proses, kita harus banyak praktek, like that one. Oke, karena di kelas saya juga kebetulan kita pakai bahasa Inggris, jadi ya itu yang sangat mendukung ya untuk berbicara menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Gitu, Sis Nita?
Okay, thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Thank you, Sis Nita. Nice questions, yeah. And then the next one, Sis Pasca. You raise your hand. Do you wanna say something?
Halo Koko ya.
Halo.
Halo ya.
Sis Pasca.
Ini Koko, saya mau tanya yang tentang verb cara baca-bacanya gitu. Ya. Kan ini saya ada hafal circulate. Itu benar atau salah sih circulate? Itu artinya menyebarkan ya? Apa?
Sorry,
Circulate.
Sis Pasca gimana?
Ya Allah. Oh, nggak dengar. Circulate, Kak. Circulate itu menyebarkan. Benar atau salah ya? Circulate. Circulate.
How to
Circulate.
spell? Gimana tulisannya?
Circulate. Nggak tahu tulisannya Kak. Itunya bacanya
Menyebarkan itu spreading,
spread. Oh, lah berarti salah dong ini. Oh,
spread
spread
gitu.
ya.
Apa?
Kalau ini Kak, kalau calculate dengan count itu sama-sama menghitung atau calculate terus ada count.
Count, count,
Count, ya.
Calculate ya,
Iya, itu dia.
calculate and count.
Iya, itu.
Oke, good. Count. Sama-sama menghitung tapi beda konteks ya. Ini saya tulis di sini ya, teman-teman ya. Ini sama-sama menghitung tapi beda konteksnya. Wait a moment guys. Saya ambil ruang di sini ya guys. Nah, ini dia mungkin wait a moment. Calculate itu menghitung, count juga menghitung. Tapi kalau calculate itu kayak kita menghitung misalnya anggaplah ada penjumlahan, perkalian, pengurangan. Nah, itu namanya calculate ya. Tapi kalau count itu menghitung kayak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita menghitung. Nah, itu count. Oke?
Oke.
Nah, itu ya. Jadi sama-sama menghitung, tapi beda konteks. Kalau calculate itu menghitung penghitungan sederhana ya. 1 tambah 1, 3 kali 2. Nah, itu calculate. Makanya kalau teman-teman tahu calculator, nah kalkulator itu kan pakainya calculate ya. Sedangkan count itu menghitung kayak kita berhitung 1, 2, 3. Nah, itu tuh menghitung. Nah, itu count. 3, 2, 1 count. Oke?
Iya Kak. Kalau convince sama acknowledge itu sama-sama mengakui atau?
Sorry?
Acknowledge sama
Acknowledge.
iya, sama convince.
Convince.
Iya,
Tulisan
convince.
Convince.
Iya.
Sama satunya?
Iya Kak. Acknowledge. Iya.
Seperti ini?
Iya.
Oke. Convince itu bisa artinya adalah meyakini, itu bisa ya convince, atau ya diyakini, meyakini, dibuktikan. Nah, itu bisa ya. Kalau acknowledge ya itu artinya adalah apa ya? Kalau acknowledgement itu pengesahan, apa tadi Sispaska kata bahasa Indonesianya? Sorry.
Mengakui.
Mengakui ya. Acknowledge itu bisa mengakui, acknowledgement itu pengakuan. Iya bisa mengakui, bisa diakui kalau jadi pasif ya. Cuman kalau convince ini bisa lebih ke diyakini gitu. Jadi nggak hanya diakui saja tapi diyakini. Jadi one step more ya, lebih daripada sekedar acknowledge. Gitu Sispaska.
Iya. Kak ada lagi.
Boleh silakan Sispaska.
Iya. Kalau acquire sama gain itu artinya sama atau beda ya Kak? Acquire, gain, memperoleh. Kalau gain itu memperoleh atau apa ya?
Acquire sama?
Gain. Bacanya gain atau gimana sih? Tulisannya G-A-I-N.
Gain, oke. Acquire, gain. Artinya mendapatkan ya? Memperoleh ya?
Memperoleh, ya.
Ya, mendapatkan, memperoleh ya. Sama ya, kalau ini sama. Cuma kayak kita bilang get ya, get. Nah, jadi acquire, get, gain itu sama aja. Artinya adalah memperoleh gitu. Jadi kita mendapatkan sesuatu, nah itu gain ya. Oke? Kalau teman-teman tahu ada iklan apa itu, no pain, no gain. Nah, tidak ada rasa sakit ya tidak akan mendapatkan sesuatu. Like that. Bisa ya? Get it, Saskia? Ada lagi?
Oke. Ya. Ya.
Oh,
Makasih
ini
ya,
ya. Oke, Ben. Oke guys, mungkin 1, 2 lagi boleh ya. Mungkin kita ambil 2, 3 menit lagi boleh. It's okay. This is the last meeting ya. Ini pertemuan terakhir kita. Sebelum teman-teman nanti masuk ke basic 2 ya. Saya pengennya di basic 2 teman-teman bisa lebih berani lagi, lebih aktif lagi ya. Karena bahasa itu harus di flexing gitu ya. Flexing a language is a must. Jadi memamerkan bahasa, showing a language is a must. Menunjukkan bahasa itu harus ya. Karena kalau enggak kita tenggelam. Like that one ya. Dibayangkan nih, sekarang ada 11 orang. 10 orang lah ya ibaratnya kalau enggak sama saya. Kalau teman-teman just be silent, diam, ya, nanti yang lain ketika ngomong, teman-teman ya ngerasanya biasa aja, tapi nanti di akhir pasti ada perbedaan yang cukup signifikan. Like that one. It's like me guys, sama ya, saya dulu juga seperti itu. Saya kursus, saya mengulang level saya itu beberapa kali ya, karena saya merasa memang belum siap untuk lanjut ke level selanjutnya waktu itu ya. Tapi ya lagi-lagi ya teman-teman, waktu itu saya kurang intention, jadi kurang niat ya untuk ikut kursus. Ya saya cuman ikut-ikutan temen aja gitu. Tapi teman saya kok udah pada bisa gitu ya, saya kok tetap segini-gini aja. Nah itu yang bikin saya ya gimana ya, kita ngeluarin uang untuk kursus, nah tapi kok nggak dapat apa-apa nih. Wah, ada yang salah nih di saya ya. Nah, di situ saya mulai berani untuk ya berbicara walaupun campur-campur segala macam. Tapi ya harus berani dulu. Baik, kawan. Oke. Come on, no question? Nggak ada pertanyaan? Ada lagi nggak nih? Please. No? Nggak ada ya? Oke. Kalau nggak ada, boleh dong teman-teman sebelum kita tutup kelas kita, can I see you guys? Saya boleh nggak kalau pengen tahu teman-teman, coba dinyalakan kameranya dong. Barangkali ini suatu saat kita bisa.
No, I haven't taken shower, bro.
Oke. Oke, kalau Sis Pasca saya sudah hafal banget ya, Sis Pasca. Bro Santo apalagi ya, Bro Santo of course. Nah saya udah hafal nih Bro Santo. Bro Ahmad ya, oke bro, I still remember Bro Ahmad. Bro Ahmad is in a bro, right?
Yes,
Bro Ahmad
yes.
di luar negeri kan ya?
Hah?
Bro Ahmad lagi di negara mana nih?
Di Arab Saudi.
Di Arab Saudi
Saudi,
ya.
bro.
Ya, Bro Ahmad ada di Arab Saudi ya, Saudi Arabia. And then halo si Sarti. Oh, that's you ya, so beautiful. Sis Tirsa too ya. Bro Sarah King, si Susi ya, si Susi I still owe something ya. Saya masih ada hutang nih sama si Susi waktu itu ngirimkan apa sister? Video ya. Saya masih belum sempat kasih respon ya ke si Susi ya, tapi next nanti as soon as possible ya. Oke, sis Lilis tuh ya. But that's not very clear ya. Hello sis Lilis. Oke. That's very good guys to be with you ya. Very happy. 1 month ya, time flies so fast. Waktunya cepet banget. Tiba-tiba kita sudah ada di pertemuan bahkan menit terakhir nih. So thank you so much everybody for joining this class. And I hope you can continue to the next level ya. English is about practicing. It's not only about theory. Bahasa Inggris itu tentang praktek ya guys. Bukan hanya kita paham teori tapi dipraktekkan. It's not because of how long you study English, but how often you practice the English. Bukan tentang seberapa lama teman-teman belajar bahasa Inggris, tapi seberapa sering teman-teman praktek berbahasa Inggris ya. Thank you bro, thank you sis, thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so
See
much,
you
Koko.
next
Thank
time.
you, bro,
Happy
for teach us.
Thank you.
learn with
Healthy.
Koko.
Thank you, Bro Koko.
Thank you
Thank
semuanya.
you, guys.
Thank
See you.
you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so
See you in
much,
next
guys.
level guys. Semoga ketemu.
Okay, see you
Ya.
again.
Bye.
Oh, ini Bang Santo.
Oh ini nih si Snita nggak buka kamera dia. Oh my god.